Consider an alternate world where cars possess the ability to heal themselves, and motorcycles can dive underwater. Imagine a future where flying pods serve as a more common form of transportation, rather than taxis. Sounds like a product of science fiction. Allow me to reassure you that it's not any longer just a fanciful concept. In today's video, we'll unveil 10 groundbreaking vehicles that could significantly redefine our present reality. From AI-enhanced motorbikes to innovative time capsule cars, stay tuned until the very end, as number 10 will undoubtedly leave you in awe. Now let's dive into the most thrilling aspect. While many of these concepts are undoubtedly mere fantasies, they're already at the prototyping stage. Engineers, scientists, and inventors from various nations are fervently racing to bring them to life. Therefore, fasten your seatbelts, as we're about to embark on an exciting journey into the future of transportation technology. Now let's move on to the next groundbreaking machine. Number 1, hoverbike. First up, the hoverbike. Picture a motorcycle that doesn't need wheels. Instead, it floats just above the ground, using advanced magnetic propulsion and stabilizers. These bikes can glide smoothly over roads, rivers, or even rough terrain. Military researchers are already testing prototypes for rapid response missions. In the future, you might see commuters literally flying over morning traffic. And it's not just about speed. Hoverbikes could drastically reduce accidents caused by potholes, slippery roads, or obstacles. They also cut down on noise pollution, since their engines are nearly silent. Imagine a city where hundreds of hoverbikes zip around quietly, replacing noisy cars and buses. It feels futuristic, but it might happen sooner than you think. Now let's move on to the second groundbreaking machine, shape-shifting electric car. Next is the shape-shifting electric car. Imagine a vehicle that adapts its body depending on your needs. Driving alone, shrinks into a compact aerodynamic pod. Picking up friends, it expands into a spacious, family-sized ride. Using smart materials and flexible architecture, this car could revolutionize urban transport, giving us efficiency, style, and versatility in one. Think about the impact on crowded cities. Narrow streets? No problem, the car contracts to fit. Need more trunk space? It reshapes itself in seconds, and since it's fully electric, it's eco-friendly too. Companies in Japan and Germany are already experimenting with modular cars that can swap body panels. So this vision isn't far from reality. Now let's move on to the third groundbreaking machine, the floating motorcycle. Our third marvel is the motorcycle that floats on water. Unlike traditional jet skis, this machine is designed for both roads and rivers. Its dual-mode propulsion lets riders seamlessly switch between asphalt and waves. Imagine cruising down the highway and then gliding straight into the ocean. No trailer, no limits. Tourism companies are already excited about this idea. Imagine tropical destinations, where you can rent one bike that takes you from hotel to beach to coral reef, all in one trip. For rescue teams, this bike could save lives by quickly reaching flood victims or people stranded offshore. It's fast, futuristic, and practical all at once. Now let's move on to the fourth groundbreaking machine, transparent solar car. Fourth on the list is the transparent solar car. Instead of burning fuel or plugging in, this car is powered by energy harvesting solar panels built into its glass-like body. The futuristic material not only makes it transparent, but also absorbs
It's like driving a crystal
powered by the sun. If scaled globally, cars like this could make fossil fuels obsolete. This technology could also make cars cheaper to maintain. Imagine a vehicle that charges itself while parked in your driveway. No more gas stations, no more charging cords. Developing transparent sunlight, Researchers are already cells that can double as windows. So we might one day see skyscrapers and cars both powered by invisible solar panels. Now let's move on to the fifth groundbreaking machine, the AI-driven motorbike. Coming in at number 5, the AI-driven motorbike. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a smart companion. With AI navigation, balance control, and even accident prediction. It can ride safely at top speeds while adapting to road conditions. Riders could one day let the bike do most of the thinking, fastest route while still enjoying the thrill of the ride. Imagine asking your bike to take you home, and it plots the safest. The AI can monitor traffic, weather, and even the rider's posture to prevent fatigue. For beginners, it could act like a teacher, preventing dangerous mistakes. This means more people might experience the freedom of motorbikes without the high risks. Now let's move on to the sixth groundbreaking machine. Extreme sports fans would line up just to test this monster. Personal flying pod. At number 6, the personal flying pod. Compact and electric powered, these pods could replace city taxis in the next 2 decades. Imagine calling a pod the same way you call an Uber and flying above the traffic to your destination in minutes. Numerous prototypes are already being tested in Dubai, Los Angeles, and Shanghai. The fundamental concept behind this idea is pretty straightforward. Vertical takeoff and landing without the associated noise or pollution typically associated with helicopters. Since these electric aircraft are powered by renewable energy sources, they could potentially be charged at a rapid rate and operate in a silent manner, making them ideal for applications such as emergency response and urban flight operations. Since the technology has a proven track record of success in other industries, its implementation in the aviation sector could provide significant benefits. Now, let's move on to the seventh groundbreaking machine, the off-road jet bike. This magnificent beast uncovers a remarkable revelation. It appears to be a motorcycle, yet it runs on hybrid jet propulsion systems, meticulously designed for challenging terrains such as deserts, mountains, and even icy landscapes. It showcases the exceptional speed of a jet while maintaining the agile handling of a dirt bike. Enthusiasts of adventure riding have already begun to dream about this fantastic machine. Imagine the endless possibilities it offers. Epic cross-country races cruising through desolate deserts, compassionate rescue missions in disaster zones, or even critical military applications, where the attributes of speed and agility are indispensable. Unsurprisingly, unlike traditional bikes, this extraordinary one never gets stuck in sand or mud. It has been meticulously engineered to dominate every element of the diverse environment. Now let's move on to the eighth groundbreaking machine, the self-healing car. Number 8 is truly mind-blowing, the self-healing car. Its outer shell uses nanotechnology that can repair scratches, dents, or even cracks within hours. Imagine never worrying about parking scratches or accidents. Beyond convenience, this technology could drastically increase safety and extend vehicle lifespans by decades. But here's the genius part. The car's system can also repair internal components. Small issues like leaks, electrical faults, or minor battery problems could fix themselves automatically. This reduces trips to the mechanic and makes transportation far more reliable. Imagine a future where car breakdowns are almost extinct. Now, let's move on to the 9th groundbreaking machine, underwater motorcycle. 9th on our list is the underwater motorcycle. Designed with waterproof engines and compressed oxygen tanks, this vehicle allows divers to ride beneath the waves like they're cruising on land. Perfect for exploration, rescue missions, underwater archaeologists, or even thrill seekers. Or even deep-sea tourism, this invention opens the ocean like never before. Think of the possibilities for marine biologists. Instead of relying on bulky submarines or scuba gear, You could hop on an underwater bike and explore coral reefs up close. This machine could even play a role in ocean cleanup projects, making exploration both fun and eco-friendly. Now let's move on to the last groundbreaking machine. The time capsule car, finally. At position number 10, the distinctive time capsule car. This is not merely a transportation method, but it is truly a living space on wheels, designed to provide its passengers with a unique and luxurious experience. Equipped with advanced AI assistants, immersive AR entertainment systems, and even sleep pods installed within the car, it allows occupants to live, work, and unwind as they travel through various locations. What sets this automobile apart from just being a traditional vehicle is the integration of a futuristic approach towards mobile living. The concept of long road trips where occupants can essentially rent their own moving apartments is something that becomes more and more apparent as technologies improve and evolve. With the advancements in autonomous driving technology, this dream may become a reality within our lifetimes, as the car itself transforms into a personal mobile apartment. If you are a traveler who loves exploring new places, the innovative automotive marvels featured at position 10 will inspire you to embark on even more unique getaways. Business travelers could work, unwind, and attend crucial meetings, making effective use of their time while they move from one city to another. Families could enjoy their vacations without ever having to leave their car, as innovative advancements in self-driving vehicles could make it a reality within our lifetimes. In conclusion, the vision of these 10 futuristic vehicles could potentially reshape the way we approach moving, spending leisure time, and exploring new surroundings. Which of these fascinating vehicles captured your imagination the most? Don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeuroSpark for more captivating scientific and technological discoveries. And we need to stay informed so we can ensure that we don't miss out on its many exciting developments. The world is ever changing, and NeuroSpark aims to keep you in the loop with groundbreaking information that can reshape your perspective on the incredible advancements that are coming our way.